X-Cite NOVEM Control CellSens. CellSens uses X-Cite turbo drivers to control the X-Cite NOVEM. To have access to all LEDs in the NOVEM, ensure that groups have been defined and turbo grouping is turned on, as demonstrated in the NOVEM installation video. To get started, connect your NOVEM to the computer via USB and turn on your NOVEM. The first thing we need to do is identify which COM port the NOVEM unit is connected to. You can access COM port information by opening your device manager. Scroll down to Ports and expand the list to view port assignments. In this case, the NOVEM is on COM port 7. Run Setup Application. Click Next and select Install Imaging Software. Click Next. Follow the application installer, skip past microscope and camera hardware options sections. In the microscope accessories area, select Excelitas and all listed devices. Follow the remaining installation steps. Open CellSens. Click Acquire, Devices, Device List. Select Reflected Light Path tab. Select X-Cite Turbo and X-Cite Turbo Shutter. Click on Interfaces. Highlight the COM port number for your X-Cite unit. Click OK. Ensure wavelengths are found in the following screen and click OK. Proceed to set illumination settings using microscope control window. Use Process Manager to set exposure timers. You are now ready to image with the X-Cite NOVEM.